that is everything around you that you call life was made up by people that were no smarter than you. More than I can say, do it to me, can say, more than I can say, do it to me, can say, more than I can say, do it to me, can say, more than I can say, do it to me, can say, more than I can say, do it to me, can say, more than I can say, do it to me, can say, love so bad, love so bad, love so bad, love so bad, love so do it to me once again. 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 Move a little bit closer. Move a little bit closer. Move a little bit
This is the land of sky blue waters. Land of cool enchantment.
Relax.
Alright, let me start the stream, check the music. Probably it's a little bit too loud. I have to check it for myself. Give me a second. Let me reduce that to 18. Okay, so what are you gonna do? I want to build a little bit tonight at the weapon usage from the clients. So basically, the client can switch weapons. We can. Oh, give me a shot. Let me show that. Let's host a game, call it number, join, select character, select a weapon, 75, accept game, select medium, select automatic rifle, So basically, what happened right now is that single press is a single light trace. So basic stuff. Okay, you always hit the middle. It's always the same. For the enemy, the damage appear correctly. If I switch to the shotgun, it's got 20 damage. It's the same. I don't have any kind of ammunition, and I can fire everything up. So let me quick check something. Yeah, right. I don't pay anything. Okay, so Alexa, shut up. So okay. Okay, so right now I have 4 different kind of characters. Oh, let me fix the other. So I have a light, medium, heavy, and super heavy. But first I will I fixed the other guys. So the event, any damage, probably is not a good idea. I have to copy every. No, let me make a copy. Duplicate. Delete this guy. Let's call him. Why not? It's strange, I cannot call him heavy. Let's call him heavy soldier. So basically it's the same user, just adjust the health to 1 to 5 and give him another material. So probably with the same like the medium get the light one. Okay. So I can delete him and say refer to heavy soldier. And where's the redirector? Give me that. Game mode. Game blueprints, character, redirector. Where's that at the penny delete? Yeah, let's force delete them. And we call him. Can I call him heavy again? I can't. Great, thank you. Can I go back? Nope. Alright, so basically I screwed my settings, so I have to find, let's see, in the lobby game mode, I think it's lobby game mode, yeah, let's take heavy soldier, characters, duplicate him, call him Super Heavy Soldier. Switch the color to a table. Super nice. Right. Entschuldigung, ich habe das spät gelesen. Nutzt du die Standard-Session oder das Advanced Session Plugin? Wofür? Also, wofür explizit? Ich nehme gar kein Plugin. Also, das ist prinzipiell alles eigentlich Blueprint basiert. Also ist jetzt kein... Das Einzige, wofür ich ein Plugin benutze, ist für VR. Change again, super heavy. Yep. Should be working. Ja, dann Standard Sessions. Ich kenne den Begriff gar nicht. Join, LAN. Shotgun, ja, klappt. Super Heavy. Automatic Rifle. Naja, ich muss das Leben noch anpassen. Ich muss eh schauen, wie die Performance später wird, wegen über Steam. Das kann ich jetzt noch nicht beurteilen. Okay, anyway. So the characters adjusted and I can start build on the actual weapon checks, ammunition. Yeah. So probably I will have to advance my weapon struct. Momentan brauche ich keine zusätzlichen Features, was Multiplayer angeht. Also ich werde gucken, wenn ich irgendwann natürlich auf Limitierungen stoße, dann werde ich da werde ich definitiv natürlich irgendwas anderes vielleicht nutzen oder mir irgendwas umbauen, aber momentan gibt es keine Limitierung für mich. Von daher brauche ich auch erstmal kein anderes Plugin. Außerdem bin ich kein Freund von Plugins, weil wenn ich Pech habe, entscheidet der Entwickler, dass er nicht weiterentwickelt und dann stehe ich vielleicht mit einem unter 4.18, fehlt mir vielleicht ein Feature oder so und dann kann ich 4.18 nicht nutzen, weil der Entwickler meint, der hat keinen Bock mehr oder so. Das ist immer ein bisschen, bin ich nicht so super Freund von. So. Fire Rate and Ammunition. Hast du einen Link oder so? Dann kann ich mal reingucken. Let's take a float. And I have to decide if we, if I put the ammunition so basically I could give it everyone the same amount of ammunition for the beginning. So probably deciding, okay, yeah, the super heavy guy can not only choose between different guns, he can also ne, die sollten einfach funktionieren. Einfach reinstellen. So I have to decide if the ammunition is depending on the class of the character, or is it depending on the weapon type. But for now, I would say everyone give the same amount of ammunition. Ich glaube, die Verzögerung ist ganz schön hoch. Was ist die Verzögerung? So, das wollte ich gucken. 2037. Sekunden, 7, cool. Okay, plug it in one session. Okay, cool. Ja, ich denke, für VR könnten durchaus ein paar interessante Sachen dabei sein. Gerade weil ich da nicht so viel tippen und keine Tastatur habe und so einen ganzen Kram. Oh ja, ja, Voice. Mhm, cool. Ein Lebenszeichen. Irgendwann, wenn ich irgendwann so weit bin, das Ding irgendwo auf Steam mal zum Testen hochzuladen, dann werde ich definitiv wahrscheinlich reingucken müssen. Okay, wo war ich? Die Rate of Fire definiert von der Waffe. Die Ammunition ist... Ah. Idea is that let's say I have a shotgun, I have an automatic rifle. So the automatic rifle gets whatever 50 rounds and 200 for reload, but a shotgun don't have 50 rounds and 200 for reload. So I have to set the... I need probably to do some kind of calculation for ammunition that's get... Ooh. Okay, yeah, it's in my head. So we put this stuff down here and we build a fire check. And probably we will build another kind of checks, like, okay, is he allowed to fire in the lobby or not, or something like this. Okay, anyway, we want, yeah, the ammunition check. So basically the client fires the event server fire check, and the server fires the event, tries to calculate the ammunition. So I have to talk with the base player parent class determine how much ammunition I have, check if the ammunition is good, and fire the event. Yep. So, ammunition. Just take integer. We don't have. We don't have any kind of 0.5 shots right now. Probably no. Probably it's better to say, yeah, okay, for the future we use flow if we have some kind of effects like what. Yeah, I don't know. So we have max ammunition, we have current ammunition, and at the point there, the construction script, we good play. Server initiate attributes. And this is a function that I'm going to call initiate attributes. And the server has authority. And he's the only one who can set things like ammunition. Probably I will change it for the health settings in the other characters, but for the base character it's going to be the same. So we call initiate attributes. And we set to whatever, 200 rounds.
One, two, three, funk it.
Oh, yeah, reloading, huh? It's going to be fun. For now I don't use reloading. Oh my god, reloading. Yeah, I have to look into it, getting some ideas from other guys, how they implement reloading. So basically, oh yeah, reloading. Cool. Every single day you're sitting here and you're seeing, oh my god, it needs... Okay, I need this feature and this feature and this feature. Okay, so I could use some kind of plugins or whatever, but I think it's better to learn from the scratch. And I mean, I'm on day 15 right now, so I hope it's going well. So let me server initiate attributes, server initiate attributes, set ammunition to 200. Let's server fire check, ammunition check. No. So I have this need ammunition per shot from the weapon. So the base weapon is not right now. There's a base weapon, but you can't in the future. You don't have any kind of weapon, so you don't have a base weapon. You choose a weapon, and the weapon have a needed amount of ammunition per shot. Later on, I would put everything in the blueprint. Okay, so we promote this to a variable. Oops. So here, and call this needed ammunition per shot. Das setzen wir. Oh, I'm sorry. We will set this directly on the weapon struct. So let's take shotgun takes, let's say 5 and ammunition shot 1. Rate of fire. Okay, this is when you're seeing your tutorials, it's pretty easy and say, okay, yeah, I can do this, and then you have to say, okay, how I'm going to implement this stuff. It's not very easy. So I have needed ammunition per shot. Ammunition check. Say we get the. Set this. So what I'm going to do is we set the first of all initiate and the current ammunition set, that was wrong, is the max ammunition. Max is 200. So we set the current ammunition minus float the current ammunition. I don't need the max ammunition. Branch that current ammunition smaller equal 0. Now let's take a not true. We call fire. Let's print string. No ammunition left. So quick recap. Fire check. Fire check. Ammunition check. Check if current ammunition is current ammunition minus current ammunition, so 200 minus whatever 159. Branch current ammunition smaller 0 equal not 0. If it's true, if it's false. Let's add a print and get the current ammunition. Get. Okay, let's test that. And before I test that, So this is correct. But you don't need to make the check. So we branch before and say this current ammunition if it's not so you don't try to use the check every time. Yeah, it's just 0. Okay, but still 0.
I said it before and I'll
Current
say it
ammunition.
again.
Check.
Life moves pretty fast.
It's not about personality matrixels and charts.
Oh, probably
It's all
we.
about the bumps in
Okay,
the
yeah.
road.
Initiate. Yeah, probably. Nope. It's not going to do. I have to do it in the player controller because we begin play. No character starts. It's a good begin play. Sorry. My leg. Okay, so begin play just works for. Help me. Yeah. Begin play just works when the character is possessed, and the game begins for this actor. So I have to do it in the player controller or game mode, but I will put it in the player controller. So we have the initiate attributes. Nope. I call this get tag character. Construction. Oh, I can't. Oh, it's too bad. I don't need the weapon check here. So I should use begin play. Copy that. And call initiate attributes. Yeah, first let's test that. Host. Accept 200, here we go. No ammunition is needed. Shotgun 195. Yeah, last 5-0 and no fire. Great. Let's test that for the select character, automatic rifle 200. Yeah, that's working too. Great. Now let's make the shit secure. So what we're gonna call server initiate attribute. So it's executed on the server only. Server? Nope. 40. Oh, I'm sorry. I think I have to set the the player controller begin play. Cast as authority the initiated attributes. It's set for the server, so basically when I'm starting the game right now, the client shouldn't have any kind of ammunition. Select character, shotgun 200. What? Did I broke my multiplayer? Oh no. Yeah, it's at 0. That's correct. So because the server have to call execute on owning client server initiate attributes. Server here. Server initiate attributes. As authority, call this and this. No, this is wrong. So we have to call it here. We have to call initiate attributes. But let me think. So game starts, we cast to win on VR player base. As authority, initiate authority, it's set. And I think the always confuses me a little bit. We do the ammunition check already at the server. This is fine. We want to give the client lobby player controller. Server to authority. Wait, so the server has ammunition, right? 200, yeah. There comes that hello. Anyway, so the server has initiated authority, so we have to call event for client. Oh, what are we going to do? So basically the idea is server initiate attributes. The we're not calling the event here, we're calling server initiate. Server initiate attributes. And the client's initiate attributes. This is fine because set get, because the client never able to fire the event for itself. Probably this is way too much for my game, but sounds right, huh? Select character, heavy, select character, shotgun, still no ammunition, 200, so call the event on all inclined. So don't have to be replicated. Does it? No, I don't think it hasn't. It's not necessary because we host. Alexa, schalt das Licht an. So heavy shotgun still 0. So where was I? Lobby fires as authority. The current ammunition have to be no, it's not needed to replicate it. No. So the event, okay, so the switch has authority, fires the event. Server initiate. So let's put this to run on server and call a custom event run on only client. Call this initiate attributes. And this is run on only client. Doesn't have to be replicated. So initiate attributes. Anyway, let's call this light. So in my head, this should work. Still 0. Oh, probably it has to be only client. So this is correct because I don't have a weapon. Oh, no, that's it. That's an interesting error. So probably I'm just searching for wrong on the wrong side. So right now I'm firing 200. We select the shotgun. Okay, this is fine. I have 0. Still have 0. Okay. Set. Select character. Medium. Select character. Shotgun. Okay, but a little bit confusing. Give me a sec. Okay, so there's a different issue with the base weapon. So probably I'm going to kill that before I'm going to test more, because right now I have 200. Join the game. If I switch characters, I have 0. Okay, yeah. So probably it's the wrong way to put this in the parent class. Okay, I could. I'm thinking about that. That I'm setting the ammunition at the point where we. But I'm not initiate. Okay, the idea is that. Okay, my idea is right now that we at the point where I switch weapons, so when the game starts, the player have to choose a weapon. So it could be working in the player controller. So at the point when when the player decided to take weapon X, whatever, the event switch weapon fires, and at this point I could give the amount of ammunition to the player. So we'll give it a shot. So it's not just... Probably I could do it here in the weapon struct. So max ammunition and float. And let's set so every time the players choose a new weapon, the current ammunition is set to
Sorry, Snoopy. You can't go with us.
lobby game mode, weapon struct,
What?
200. And let's take 10, and we take 5. So now, switch weapons. So this is not safe for multiplayer, but for now it should be fine. Yeah, let's test that. So, Karl-Mog, falls du noch da bist, entwickelst du selbst oder? Okay, it's 200. Automatic rifle. Shotgun. 200. Okay, this is great. So let's don't call that. We don't call this stuff because it's just setting the current ammunition, and the current ammunition is set here. You know what? Let's call print. So host. Shotgun 200, 200, accept, select character, shotgun 200. But as soon as I'm firing, the client sets the... Oh, I think I have to be replicated because the check is on the server. Right? So at the point where I press fire, oh yeah, I think I have to be replicated because it's, let's put this replicated and give it another shot. Host game, select character, shotgun, join game. Game, select character, medium, select. So replicated is not the solution. This is something I wanted to test on the owning client. It's not replicated. Okay, this would be a little bit confusing. So the client has to tell the server.
Freeze! Everybody clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. One hop, one hop. To the left. Take it back now, y'all.
Initiate attributes.
Right foot, let's start. Cha-cha, real smooth. Clap, clap, clap your hands.
So let's delete this. And delete this. So when the client fires, server check. Oh, yeah, I could. No, this is wrong. Oh. Wait, that's the point where I switch weapon on the only client. Where I assign the weapon. I could set assign weapon. Instruct. Okay, this is still confusing. I'm a little bit lost. Because the weapon struct is on the switch weapon, and this is fired on the client. So basically, the current ammunition is set. Oh. Wait. I think it has something to do with the ammunition check. Because if I'm... Let me test that. server fire check, and we call print string. I think it's the game. Yes. Select character. Join the game. Accept. Select character light. So shotgun 200. So we set the correct amount of ammunition on the client. Let me test that again. Oops. Join. Super heavy. Server 200, right? Light. Like a shotgun. Client 200. When I fire, server fire check. So it checks the ammunition. And the current ammunition on the server is 0. So I have to set the current ammunition give me another custom event. Initiate ammunition. So with this round server, initiate ammunition. And we're firing this to set current ammunition. Probably it's way too complicated. Okay, so this works. So current ammunition, needed ammunition. Ah, okay. And needed ammunition is obviously. Oh boy! Okay, this is not gonna be easy. Oops. So we fire initiate ammunition, and we are going to. So when the client has switched the weapon. No, we don't have to call it on the client. We can call it on the client, but I think we should call it here. So we could set the current ammunition here. Oh, my brain hurts. Okay, let's make a custom event. Here. For the calculation, so not initiate ammunition, we call this initiate server initiate weapon. Let's run on server. And event graph. Initiate. And let's call this client. And we have the weapon struct. What? Switch weapon? Ah, yeah, we called it, yeah. Line switch weapon. Break that apart. Set the current ammunition. So we can do the calculation. So we fire, no, we left button, server fire check, ammunition check on the server. When it's working, it's calling fire, line trace, apply my damage, whatever. Let's test it. So the server's still working. This is always a good sign. Oh, give me a sec. Oh, sorry, missed that. So select character, select shotgun, client 200. Okay, but the calculation is not working. Automatic rifle. So the server have the correct amount of ammunition. Every time I do this, I think, yeah, okay, I got it. This is easy. And then I'm thinking, what? What was it again? So let's put a print everywhere. So client switching weapons, it's printing the current ammunition. The client don't need to know the current ammunition, right? Because he just wants to know, can I fire or not? And we... Oh, we needed ammunition per shot. Is that's a real problem. So, the needed ammunition set, because the calculation is based on the needed ammunition per shot. So, server name, join server, select character, shotgun. Select characters, select shotgun. Yeah, here we go. And no ammunition left, no firing left. Oh my god, this is so cool. Die, 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 die. Damage working. Select character, shotgun. It's a little bit slow. There's a decent delay. And no ammunition left, I'm not able to fire anymore. Cool. Nice. Let's save the whole shit. And make a recap why it's working. Save everything. Oh boy. Okay. Please. Don't destroy that. Join, land, select shotgun. Searching for. Select character, light, select shotgun. Yep, that's working fine. Good. Okay, so we save that and we delete some stuff. Characters. Yeah, we will let. This is okay. So initiate. Probably the performance of this type is a little bit slow because every shot where's the communication between the server and the client, and probably it's a better idea, but I think there could be a problem with the delay. some kind of like, okay, yeah, I'm firing. Why is my shot coming 50 seconds later? 50 milliseconds later, because Unreal have to push it everywhere. But yeah, I think it's going to be. We have to be test everything to be clear, to be safe. What it's meaning, what it. Oh my god, my English sucks today. So I want to ammunition check. No, ammunition left is fine. Somewhere I have a hello, right? So when I host the game, server. What? Shotgun. Like. Oh, my heart. There's a hello. Ah, okay, it's coming from line trace. Where's my line trace? Fire line trace. Here it is. Okay. So I have where's my base player? Let's keep that still yellow. Put that up here. So fire weapon, silver fire check, ammunition check. Print the ammunition, this is fine. No ammunition left is fine too. So probably this is a bad idea to set with weapon damage. I have to set it on the server too. So set.
Today, we honor a man who has been an inspiration to our citizens.
No, I have to. Okay, this is stupid. Everything for the eye, right? If I could make it like this. Wow. This looks great. Wow. Cool. Whatever. Okay, we initiate the so initiate weapon. That's a point where the client, where the user click on. Where is it? Where put I? Server weapon, assign weapons, switch weapon, call on client, serve initiate weapon, the client switching the weapon, not setting, just setting the skeletal mesh, so he knows he have another weapon, and he's happy to have a big weapon. And so server fires ammunition check, but first the server initiate weapon, the current ammunition, we need the ammunition shot and weapon damage. So fire check ammunition checks is correct. We call fire line trace. It's called on the client. And if it's hit something, let's make that green. Now, like, we have to change it later. So if we hit something, we apply my damage on the server to the client, and we set apply my damage from a line trace, and this is a weapon damage. But the line trace comes from the server, so I have to build a little bit around that. Execute on server. Actually, we could use the weapon damage here, so we don't have to use this thing. Event graph. So stuff should working. Still working, I hope. Oh my god, please no. So join. Select character heavy. Select shotgun. Accept. Select medium. Select automatic rifle. Okay. This works, yeah. 717, okay. 95. 80, 95, 60. Perfect. Great. So now everything is handled on the server. So at the point where the client fires his weapon, I'm sorry if I recap, wiederholen, wiederholen. So the client presses the button. Where's the button? Where's my mouse left? Here's my mouse left button. So let's put so the client pressed left mouse button. We make a server fire check. That's called on the server for ammunition check. The ammunition check if is enough current ammunition available. Fires to the client, where line trace is fired, where if it's hit something, it passes the hit actor to the apply my damage event that's called on the server, and this gets the weapon damage from the server initiate weapon and applies damage to the actor. It's not that bad, right? Event damage, get the damage, any damage, switch out authority, on take damage. fire everything, return node, whatever. I don't need a return node. So basically, this is good. This is working. So I can have a weapon, I can choose different kind of weapons. I can fire weapons, I can damage the enemy, not the enemy, I can damage my friends because it's not VR setup. Can I? I could. Yeah, I will build later tomorrow. Let's see, it's Tuesday, right? Let me check what's on Tuesday. Friday. Okay. Okay. So think. Okay, yeah, I have to test this later this week with probably another laptop, so I can test if the VR players comes into the game, if he's able to see each other and how it look like, and if the character is big enough and so on. It's a little bit complicated to finish. I'm sorry. No. It's a little bit complicated to finish the VR player because I can't really stand right now because of my legs, so I'm still building on the normal non-VR character. So, where was I? Weapons ghost, ammunition fire rate, yeah. So, let's try to build an automatic rifle, right? So, as long... host game. Select character shotgun. So, nothing happened. As long as I press the button, because it just fired once. So with server fire check, I have to check if it's an automatic rifle and then fire we went. So where should I put that? Let me put my leg up. Ow! Ah. Okay. The server should check what kind of. The server should set the rate of fire. So we promote this to available. Put that a little bit back and call this rate of fire. You know what? Before I'm starting, let me make a let me save everything and make it back up. So Unreal. Whatever. So project game saved. Copy backup. And call this 278.14 game. And you know what? I will save it to another disk. This is one. Let me check something. I'm sorry. So we saved it's 417. Yeah. I already updated this. So let me check something else. Okay. Why is this not loading? Okay, this is a little bit weird, but
And that is, everything around you that you call life was made up by people that were no smarter than you.
okay, here it is. Okay, anyway, I'm sorry for the delay. So, did we start with correct game? Okay, so you play lobby, play controller. So basically, safety check, correct check, yeah. Okay, basically, we try to implement the automatic some kind of rate of fire. So we have to go into our non-VR player base character class. We have current ammunition, we have the rate of fire. Okay. So we have to build the check. So we fire checks here at this point. Left mouse button, server fire check checks the ammunition. This is fine. At this point we are subtracting the ammunition. So we're subtracting the ammunition before the actual line trace is fired. Is this good? Click fire, click fire, click fire. Ammunition is subtracted. If it's good. Wait, let me test that. Oh yeah, whatever, host name. So select character, shotgun, 191. Nope. Start again. Host game. Cool. So basically I have 20 shots, right? So when I choose a weapon, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there goes the last one. So this is okay. So we check here, but how? This is just okay. That's the problem. When I press the button, it's pressed, and this event is fired once.
I've got to go fast.
So I have to build some kind of, as long as it's pressed, and I have to. No. I have to build it later. So with server fire check ammunition. At this point, I have to check fire entries, apply damage. Okay, let me think about it. The server kicks the ammunition check. Oh, and now here we should call, at this point we should call with this rate of fire. So give me the rate of fire. We have set it. Where's my game mode? Nope. Lobby game mode. We have. Okay, whatever. So we have a rate of fire of 0. Let's call second and use 0.5 second to 5. And reduce the damage to 2, whatever. Okay. So we think we can work with timer. Set timer by event. So no. When the client releases it, we have to call another event to the server to stop firing. Yeah, let's test that. I mean, we call this event. Oh no, I can't use the event. Delete this. Oh, I can call an event. So left mouse button, server fire check. Okay, automatic rifle, not automatic rifle. So with a shotgun, this is fine. So if it's an automatic rifle, probably have to check that in the server fire check. The client should be able to click as much as he wants, but the server defines when he's going to fire. So let's get the rate of fire. So when it's released, this is tricky. I think timer by function. We're just working with a delay. We have another input. Can't have an exit, right? No. Okay, so it's firing. Oh yeah, it's not available. About that. Firing.
It's an adventure world that we're creating. Using our brain to get anywhere we can. So we tell these stories.
Started firing. Okay, sorry. So basically right now, host game. Oops, host game. Loop. Loop for break. No, it's just a loop, right? No. It's a... No, it's a gate.
We are here on this very earth to love and to be loved.
Oh, it's an event. It's a timer by event. Yeah, let's use this. And let's event fire events. Call this timer server fire check. If it's false, let's pause. Timer by handle. Let's try this out. Post. Accept shotgun. Yep. Bam, 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 pew, pew. Oh, it's not stopping. What? Oh, because it's not fired again. So it's fired as true. Oh, I have to check the something like this. So left button, press is firing, server check, firing. Is firing, true, set the event, fire, looping. Burp, 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 burp. Released, fire is off. Server fire check, condition, not, handle, fire. Test that. Close the game. Character, automatic rifle. Okay, cool. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, we can take the shotgun. Okay, shotgun. So 1. Oh, I have to build it a little bit. Okay, the first shot should come out instantly. And not after 1 second at this point. So
Glad to join many of your friends in wishing you the best of this day. And then thanking you for
we set the rate of fire time a little bit later. So we do the ammunition check directly. And after the ammunition, we fire Let's put an output. Exec. No. Oh, okay. Probably have to build a little bit different. So it's not firing fire, just firing outside. And here we're firing the timer. No, wait. We have to call fire. Okay, yeah, it's working. It's fine. Fire after this. We call the set the time. Oh god. Call the ammunition check, call fire, set the timer by event. With a rate of fire, call the event again. And we have to build a and if it's not firing, it's automatic pausing. Probably this works. Let's see. Host game. Call shotgun. So 190. Pew, instantly. Let's 180, 150. Pew, 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 pew. Yep. Looks good, huh? Looking great. I was a little bit suspicious if something like character, medium, automatic rifle. Okay, yeah, this is great. Okay, cool. Wait, what happened? Shotgun. No, this is. Oh, here's a problem. I can fire with every trigger. The ammunition check's not working. What? Okay. So left button 7 fire check. If it's true, make ammunition check. Oh, it's fired anyway, so this is the problem. So I don't have to call this, I have to call a custom event probably. I kinda called fire. Let's make another custom event. Fire pre-checkup. Rate of fire event. Maybe. And here we call rate of fire event. So the ammunition check is done. It's calling the rate of fire event. Calling the timer check. Otherwise not. So okay, test again. Host. Server name. Automatic rifle. Yeah. Screw bad. You have to bullet check before we... So this is working. It's not firing at all. It's never firing. Oh yeah, because I never called fire. Where the fire went. Called fire. This is not easy. Oh, shotgun. I have to bullet check for that. But the ammunition stuff working right now. So when I choose the automatic rifle, here I can fire too fast with single trigger. Okay, the ammunition check's working, but I've checked the timer is already up.
How will you serve the world? What do they need that your talent can provide? So the effect you have on others is the most valuable currency there is.
Okay, why is my YouTube offline? It's up and running, right? Twenty 24, 25, 26, 28, 29, 2010. Shoo! The delay is tremendous. Okay, okay, the delay is really bad. But anyway. Okay. Where was I? Yeah, okay, so left button is firing, server fire check. Let's clean that up. This is fine because the client say how often he wants to fire, right? Okay, so fire check. Wants to fire? Yes, true. Ammunition check. Can I fire? Tolerate a fire event. Tolerate a fire. If I click again, I have to build a delay. Probably have to build a delay right after this. Ammunition check. Retrievable delay. With a retrievable delay. Calling again while it is counting down will reset the countdown duration. So, throw fire checks, make the ammunition check, call the event, fire, set the timer to do it again. Here's it looping, and this is great, but where could I be delay? So maybe I could call a timer by event. Let's try that. Or can I call on the server? Just call another custom event.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.
It's not about personality matrices and charts. It's all about the bumps in your heart. Jake, you're back! Shut your face! I can't rap for the music.
Pause, we call it clear and invalid timer by handle. Probably this is better. So anyway, Okay, so this is going to be a little bit complex because I have to build. God.
Excuse me, senor. It is not ole ole, no? It is only one ole. Like this.
So let's stop that here. As long as the client is press the firing button, we call set timer by event. And I cannot automatic shooting. I think this should be handled in the weapon. But I think we're just using automatic rifles. We have MPs, we have pistols, everything is automatic. So we don't have no kind of spring load stuff, so should be fine. Get me rate of fire. So rate of fire event. Oh, let me check that. Call. Let's stop using this stuff. So move this over. So set the timer by event, call the event. Looping as long as and we start that here, and let's do an ammunition check. Delete the stuff here and take that. Call this stuff here and put this down here. So now probably I could just fire here. But anyway, let's test that. No, I have to Okay. So it was a little bit upgelinked. I don't know. So left mouse button. We have a problem, but the timer just fired. So we can do once. Okay, I was going to be a little bit confused. So probably what we're going to do, fire check. We check if it's true. Let's start from the beginning. Let's do once. So do once. Oh yeah, we could start close. No, we start open. Let's do once. Let's make an ammunition check. So we're firing directly, correct? So after the first shot, we call... Let's not call rate of fire. We just call fire. Let's check call fire. Yeah, whatever. After this, after the ammunition check, after the fire is called, let me just. So after the ammunition check is called, we set the timer by event to fire automatic event, and that is calling ammunition check. Probably? Nope. Oh yeah. Give me that handle. Okay. So how's the game? Select character, shotgun. Okay, I'm firing. Click, working, click, working, click, working. Hold, 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 hold. Oh yeah, it's not printing the host game. So shotgun. Bam, 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 bam. Fire, 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 fire. Click, 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 click. Not working. Fuck. Shit. Oh, yeah. Do I have to do another? Let's use a delay. And the delay is not the current ammunition, it's the rate of fire. So let's try it again. Shotgun, firing. Oh, now it's working. Click, 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 click. Click, 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 click. No ammunition left. Select shotgun. So now, if I just hold the button, it's firing. Second. When I press faster, click, 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 click. Okay. Yeah. This is exactly what I would try to achieve. It's an automatic rifle, yeah, it's firing. Click. And let's try again, automatic rifle. Oh, it's strange. I'm holding down the weapon and nothing happened. So when I release the button and press it again to stop and fire again, it's not working. And it's not working because it's not released fast enough. So when I released firing, let's use a re-triggerable delay. Maybe this solves the issue. Host select automatic rifle. Let's see what happened here. I cannot.
Freeze! Everybody clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. One hop. To the left.
Oh, let's put it
Take it back now, y'all.
here. Host game. Set. Select shotgun. Okay. You have to wait for the trigger. Listen server. Migrate. So it's, okay, this is working. Let's choose another weapon. Automatic rifle. So, I'm firing. Fire. Pow, 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 pow. Automatic. Rat-tat-tat-tat-tat-tat. Click, 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 click. So I'm firing. Yeah. Wait, I'm firing. I release, I press again, and nothing happens. I have to release it and press again. Probably, let's check if I can. It's false. Reset. This game. Select. Yeah, you see that? So fire, release, fire, and I cannot. It's a little bit tricky. I don't know if it's working, so let me think about it. Why this error happens. So the client fires. I think I have something to do with the do once. Let's try that again. Post game. Accepts. Oh. Nope. Let's try that. Select character. Let's choose automatic rifle. So I'm firing with the event firing. This is great. So I pause and it's reset for do once. So I press it and it's reset for do once. Press it again, reset for do, press it again. So here it stocks. Okay, yeah. Let's press E. Key. Set current. So let me check that.
What music is that I hear? Something to try and make you feel at home.
So I'm pressing, it's firing. When I stop, and it's reset to once. Okay. When I press release and press again, firing should be true, but I think the re-trigger is not done. Oh my god! So I'm firing. Release the trigger. It's not doing anything at all. Let's take a shotgun. Fire, 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 fire. Oh. So when I put this away, then I have the issue that what's the game? Select shotgun. I can fire it faster than okay, yeah. So I have to work with the delay. Firing is not true. Call a delay. Rate of fire. Clear. The problem is okay, my issue here right now is when I'm firing. Let's see that again. So host the game. You know what? Let's test. Select light shotgun. Edge available. Select medium. Select automatic rifle.
A young boy being may dream. And in the dream,
okay, no, this is wrong because it has to stop the trigger immediately after stopping after the button is not pressed anymore. So play it again, host, select character, automatic rifle. Yeah, it's better. Select character, heavy, select character, shotgun. Select character, medium, select character, automatic rifle. Yeah. Okay, obviously it's just not for the client. So fire. Was it heavy? No, it's not what. What is this? No, it was a medium, right? Medium, no. Where is it? What? So let's do this again. Select character. Oh boy, it's way too late. Host the game. Select character. Select shotgun. Okay, now heavy soldier. Okay, so fire, stop, fire because it's not get to clear timer. So clear timer, run through. Fire, 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 fire. Release. Wait, I can. Q. Like time, game time. UE4 full motion. Flip-flop. Set global time dilation. Set global time dilation 0.25. So, how's the game? Let's try out what the problem is. Light network. So, this is firing. I release it. At this point, the clear invalidate timer fires, so it's no ever automatic shooting happens, and the delay reset the do once. But if I fire super slowly, fire, release the trigger and fire directly again, nothing happened because the do once is still not resetted and it's not firing again. I like that kind of problems, but it's annoying to not see the solution right now. Probably I'll smoke. Okay, I will be right back and see you in 10 minutes.
Just look at that yellow sun. And way off in the distance, those lovely little white clouds.
And a drink, have a good time now. Go to paradise, paradise.
Você me vê sorrindo à toa. Se 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 você me
Listen, all you New Yorkers.
All right. Yeah, ماشي.
Special bulletin. The biggest and boldest robbery in the history of New York.
Okay, okay,
All hung up on imaginary problems. You gotta focus on what's real, man.
so probably I have to do another check. Another branch. Is this true? false, reset. Let's make reset firing. Set reset firing.
Today, we honor a man who has been an inspiration to our citizens.
So basically, server fire check branch is firing true. Is reset firing true? Oh, is reset firing true? Oh, it's late. Hi. Ich versuch mal zu erklären, was ich gerade mache. Also, wenn ich am Client den linken Maus-Button drücke, dann setzt er Firing True, feuert den Server Fire Check, Server Fire Check, branched. Moment, ich nehme das mal gerade raus. Branched ist feuernd. Er macht's. Also das funktioniert. Das Problem, was ich habe, ich zeige dir das kurz. Host Game. Select Weapon. So, wenn ich Feuer, halte gedrückt. Feuer, 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 Feuer. Wenn ich loslasse, warte und nochmal Feuer, dann funktioniert's. Wenn ich loslasse, warte mal, ich aktiviere mal gerade. Wenn ich also ich feuer, unten feuerte, wenn ich loslasse und nochmal direkt drücke, dann kommt der Reset nicht und er feuert nicht. Wenn ich loslasse, kommt dann der Reset und dann kann ich den Do Once für den Feuer wieder starten. Also mein Problem ist, dass Feuer, ich lasse los, drücke nochmal Feuer und dann kommt natürlich der Reset nicht. Jetzt habe ich überlegt, dass ich eventuell nochmal branche und sage, genau, ja, also ich feuer, dann kann ich nicht instant wieder feuern. Ich will aber schon, dass er danach wieder anfängt zu feuern, sondern er soll aber natürlich erst nach X Delay wieder feuern, aber nicht, dass ich dann stoppen muss, also sprich runter releasen muss und dann wieder feuern muss. Ich habe überlegt, ob ich eventuell das so probiere. Warte, es kann mir gerade irgendwie, vielleicht funktioniert das, was ich davor habe. Set. Reset. Firing. Okay, also ich weiß nicht, ob das funktioniert, keine Ahnung. Moment, ich starte mal gerade. Host. Select Shotgun. Also ich feuer. Ah ne, es funktioniert nicht. Es funktioniert gar nicht mehr, okay, alles klar. Stimmt, nee, das klappt ja gar nicht. Gott, das ist viel zu spät. Hast du eine Idee, wie ich das am besten lösen könnte? Bude. Ja, ja, gleich. Hier, du kannst mir auch mal helfen. Sehr gut, wenn der Bruder Mathematiker ist und Ahnung von sowas hat. Also ich erkläre es nochmal. Wenn ich Feuer... Okay, ja, ihr könnt beide nachdenken, sehr gut. Also, ich Feuer... Und gar nicht, doch, ich halte... Warte mal. So. Also, was passiert ist, der Client drückt oben grün Left Mouse Button. Firing ist gesetzt. Und der Timer, der Event-Timer für Firing läuft. Das funktioniert, okay? Solange ich die Maus gedrückt habe, Schrotflinte, Schuss, Schuss, Schuss. Das ist super. Wenn ich loslasse, läuft ein Delay, damit er nicht sofort wieder, also damit er sozusagen nicht die 1 Sekunde die Rate of Fire überspringen kann, muss der Delay erst durchlaufen, weil, ne, Schrotflinte schießt und dann trotzdem erst nach einer Sekunde soll er die Schrotflinte wieder feuern können. So, das Problem ist aber, wenn ich Feuer, loslasse und sofort wieder Feuer drücke, zum Beispiel beim Sturmgewehr oder so, dann soll er trotzdem nach der Zeit den Schuss lösen. Aber momentan, ich halte die Maustaste gedrückt, nichts passiert. Erst wenn ich loslasse, wird der Reset vom Do Once ausgeführt und dann, das heißt, nach meinen Überlegungen müsste ich, wenn ich die Maustaste loslasse, sofort den Do Once wieder resetten. Das Problem ist, das darf ich natürlich nicht, weil Schrotflinte soll erst nach einer Sekunde wieder schießen. Jemand eine Idee? Okay, also. Hat dieses... Ja, das glaube ich. Ich würde es sogar offstream, glaube ich, machen und dann würde ich... Nein. Okay, ich versuche es nochmal langsam zu erklären. Also, ich drücke die linke Maustaste. Automatisch wird ein Event ausgeführt, der feuert. Das funktioniert. Das ist einwandfrei. Wenn ich loslasse, wird der Server Fire Check auf der linken Seite auf False gesetzt. False stoppt den automatischen Feuerprozess und setzt ein Delay, damit ich nicht sofort wieder feuern kann. Und dann resettet er den Do Once. Das Problem, was ich habe, ist, wenn ich gedrückt halte, Feuer, ich lasse los und drücke nochmal, der Delay resettet das Do Once natürlich erst nachdem der Delay fertig ist. Das Problem ist, dass der Spieler momentan ja wieder auf die Feuertaste gedrückt hat. Und dadurch denkt er würde feuern, aber er kann nicht, weil der Do Once noch gar nicht resettet ist. Das heißt, ich müsste... Jetzt kam nämlich gerade erst eben der Delay, der den Reset des Do Once ausgeführt hat. Haltest. Haltest. Prinzipiell ja. Weil, also das Problem ist, dass ich ja sofort wieder fire, sofort wieder auf True. Achso, die ist firing, genau, die ist True. Das heißt, in dem Moment, wo ich loslasse und sofort wieder drücke, ist firing natürlich True. Er will den Do Once ausführen, kann er aber nicht, weil der Delay... Also, Moment. Feuert, lass los. Dadurch, dass ich loslasse und direkt den Do Once nochmal ausführe, dann möchte ich einfach noch Delay und dann ist Firing True, dann ruft nochmal Fire. Oh, das könnte... Ja. Also du meinst, ich branche hier. Ist Firing True. Jetzt nochmal Server Fire Check. So. Moment, Server Fire Check, Branch ist True. Feuert. Aber ich muss den Do Once ja resetten. Achso, den muss ich ja direkt resetten. Okay. Select Weapon. Feuer, Feuer, Feuer. Loslassen. Feuer, Feuer, Feuer. Loslassen. Doch. Ich glaube, das funktioniert. Warte mal. Ich probiere es nochmal. Hostgame. So, checken hier. So, also, Shotgun. Feuert, feuert, feuert. Feuert nicht. Feuert, 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 feuert. Ich lasse los. Feuert. Doch, das funktioniert. Feuer, Feuer, Feuer. Loslassen, direkt wieder feuern. Doch, das funktioniert. Ja, doch. Du musst auch resetten, wenn es Force ist. Stimmt, ja, ich muss auch resetten, wenn es Force ist. Also, warte mal, ja, okay, warte mal. Lass mich nochmal. Charakter, Shotgun. So, also, Feuer. Okay, jetzt feuert gar nicht. Feuer, 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 Feuer. Moment. Loslassen, direkt feuern. Nö, geht nicht. Warte mal, hä? Das hat doch eben, warte mal, das hat doch eben funktioniert. Also, ich lasse los. Dann kommt der Delay. Dann brancht er. Nein, nicht bei Force. So. Weil bei Force resettet er den Do Once, aber er kann den, also nee, ich müsste, das müsste ich machen. Also prinzipiell müsste ich einfach ich brauche gar keinen Is-Firing. Ich könnte eigentlich... Das könnte ich... Warte mal. Das könnte funktionieren. Das könnte funktionieren. So, also... Shotgun, Feuer, 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 loslassen, Delay. Oh, nee, das funktioniert nicht. Nee, ich muss den, ich muss branchen, weil sonst feiert er immer wieder den Event. Also wenn, genau. Und, Reset Firing. Okay. Und, obwohl, ich könnte, ne, ich könnte das hier machen. Oder? Moment. Ja, dann müsste es eigentlich nicht machen. So, ich probiere das mal. So. Also. Host Game, ja, Accept, Select Character, Shotgun, Debug. Ja, ja, hast recht, ja, hast recht. Firing. Wenn das true ist. Habe ich jetzt das halt gemacht? Nee. Nicht. Shotgun. Feuert, feuert, feuert. Loslassen. Warte mal, ich will Debug anmachen. Okay, also Feuer, Feuer, Feuer. Loslassen. Firing is not true. Und er tut nichts. Feuer. Oh, es muss trotzdem resettet werden. Ja, hast recht. So. Super complicated. Eigentlich nicht, irgendwie macht es Sinn, aber... Okay, ich lasse los. Delay, Reset. Ich fange an. Delay, Reset. Fire, Fire und jetzt schnell. Ne, jetzt klappt es wieder nicht. Hä? Also. Wenn ich aufhöre zu drücken, startet der Delay. Nach dem Delay checkt er, ob ich wieder gedrückt habe. Wenn es stimmt, führe den Server Fire Check aus. Aber nur, wenn es true ist. Okay, nee, das funktioniert nicht, weil der Reset kommt zu spät.
And that is everything around you that you call life was made up by people that were no smarter than you.
Genau. Ich muss es erst resetten. Aber dann brauche ich den Check ja gar nicht. Doch, muss ich. Und... Ach, das funktioniert auch nicht. Ha! Ich kann nicht direkt nach dem Do Once den Server-File-Check machen. Okay, Ja. Ich glaube, da muss ich mir was anderes überlegen. Ich werde erst mal drüber schlafen und dann wahrscheinlich fällt mir morgen früh die Lösung in ein paar Sekunden ein oder eine Minute oder sonst irgendwas. Egal, okay. Dann danke schon mal für die Hilfe und Dankeschön. Ja, schlafen ist immer gut. Alles klar, danke, ciao.